And we want to give you a live look right now of Hurricane Michael as it is slowly about to make landfall. This is a live look at the Panhandle where, again, Hurricane Michael could be coming ashore. Megan, I was just asking you the difference because the wind speeds have increased now to 150.
Yeah.
And you said Category 5 is 157.
So this is a fairly high-end Cat 4. Once you get up into Category 3 status, you're going to find really high storm surge, very dangerous winds. But the higher you go, obviously exponential effects. By the time you get to a Cat 5, I mean, there we're talking about possible devastation, like in Homestead, Florida, when it was Hurricane Andrew back in '92. So now this one we're looking at right now, making a landfall within, I'd say, the next 2 hours. The center of circulation, so meaning the center of the eye, needs to come ashore before we can call it a landfall, but looks absolutely destined for somewhere in the Panhandle here as it's approaching Panama City. And what we're looking at is the right side of circulation, as always, bringing the most storm surge because those winds and waves pile up along the shore, and in this case in the Big Bend area, where it could have even more effects due to the topography in that area. Michael, again, wind sustained to 150, movement north-northeast at about 14, and it's still going to be a Cat 2 by 8 o'clock tonight over southwest Georgia. So let's take a peek at what we've got going on out here at home. Right now, we're anticipating some actually pretty rainy conditions for the remainder of the day, all courtesy of a cold front, which is working through Chicagoland and will be bringing us showers and possibly some storms. We're going to watch for the potential for some of those to reach strong to severe limits. We're at marginal risk for severe storms, according to the Storm Prediction Center. David Sproat and Bourbonnais coming in at 70 degrees. Eugene and Alsop at 71. We've got Rich and Gurnee at 68, and same goes for Larry, Liseco, and Valpo. Now, temperatures are likely to be mid-70s today. You can see the rain. It's going to hold that temp down a little bit compared to yesterday. We do have the rain coming up across northwest Indiana and a little more scattered back across Illinois counties. But watch what we do. We still have showers. We still have storms at 2 o'clock. We're looking at some of that activity being potentially on the stronger side. 5 o'clock, we've got another little line developing back here to the west. That comes on through with the actual frontal boundary. At about 6 o'clock, we still have some storms, 68 degrees. It's gone, though, by 9 o'clock tonight. Then the cooler air starts to work in. Then the winds begin to pick up. We're looking for a high today of 77. But take a look at this. We're going for 52 tomorrow. So this cold front is going to pack quite the punch for us. I mean, from 77 to 52, we go from above average to below average. And we're expecting to settle in at only 49 on Friday. Now, we will see plenty of sunshine through the first half of the week. Still cool all weekend long and into next week, but we may see a few scattered showers on Sunday. So that's definitely a stay inside and watch football day, I think.